Is your meditation practice repeatedly disrupted because you can't get comfortable? Traditional support methods have failed in their ability to provide comfort during your practice, and instead of meditating, you end up focusing on the discomfort in your body. Well, those days are over. Now you can feel like you're meditating on air, as if there's nothing underneath you at all. Introducing Air Meditator, the first ever inflatable meditation cushion and the most comfortable cushion you'll ever use. Perfect for experienced meditators and beginners looking to establish their meditation practice. Meditate on air instead of the seeds or stuffing in traditional cushions that inevitably become hard, compact, and uncomfortable. Air Meditator is ergonomically designed for your comfort with 3 separate air chambers to meet your needs. If you prefer a taller cushion, inflate it completely. If you prefer lower, release some air from the desired chamber simply by pushing the button. Air Meditator is elevated in the back, tilting the hips forward for proper posture and balance. The side chambers support your knees and thighs, alleviating pressure on your hips and ankles. With our new valve system, Air Meditator can be inflated in seconds. Deflating the cushion is just as quick. The cushion weighs less than a pound and folds neatly into a 9x9 pouch, saving space and weight in your luggage. So why Air Meditator? For nearly a decade, tens of thousands of people from around the world have been blissfully using our original mobile meditators. As word of mouth spread, this state-of-the-art cushion became the go-to product for meditators. Positive reviews poured in and people praised the comfort and ease of the Air Meditator. However, there was room for improvement.
Hi, I'm Scott Salzman of Bright Spot Solutions and the inventor of Air Meditator. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to version 2.0 of the best meditation cushion ever. And I also want to address the leaking issue that I'd be remiss to ignore. After listening to customer feedback and going back to the drawing board, we've created exactly what people have been asking for. I'm now proud to introduce the new and improved Air Meditator, designed by meditators for meditators. People wanted a cushion that's durable enough for everyday use, and they also wanted to be able to use it while they're trekking, backpacking, camping, attending a class, going to the beach, and of course, traveling. Air Meditator has new double welded seams along its edges as opposed to the single weld of the original. This new feature adds an extra level of strength and durability to the cushion, preventing the leaking issue of the past. Our new valve works for easy inflating, deflating, and adjustments. No more biting and pinching to let air in and out as with old school valves. Simply blow into our newly designed valve to inflate it and push the button to adjust or deflate it. Remember, when choosing a meditation cushion, you want to be mindful, no pun intended. We've worked diligently here at Bright Spot Solutions to create the best, most convenient, and most comfortable meditation cushion we can conceive of. Practicing meditation ourselves, we know that just like you need a proper bed for a good night's sleep, a high-quality meditation cushion is a must if you want to establish a consistent practice. And trust us, we've tested just about every style. We believe Air Meditator will truly help you in your quest to train your attention and awareness, and achieve a healthier sense of perspective. Unlike most companies, Air Meditator is a product that we want you to forget about while you're using it. It's designed so that you can focus on your meditation and nothing else. Air Meditator allows you to feel like you're floating on air, so it's as if it's not there at all. So join us, back our Kickstarter campaign, and have your Air Meditator with you wherever you go.